Hey boys, we've got a very interesting week ahead of us, a bunch of red folders, and I think Bitcoin might actually go to 130K this week. So let's go ahead and make a plan. On the news side, looks like US and China extended the tariff pause again by another 90 days, and I think that's very bullish for the whole market. Everyone's anticipating for a rate cut also this week. BNB just reached a new all-time high, bullish market across the board. If you could see the heat map right here, everything is pumping right now. And today, uh, we have nothing today. So Monday, we got nothing. But Tuesday we got jolts, and Wednesday we got GDP growth rate. We have interest rate decisions. So my thesis is as early as today, maybe smart money or big traders, institutions are positioning themselves for this news driven type of trade. So we want to capitalize on that. And we got a core PCE on Thursday, personal income, and NFP on Friday. So a bunch of red folders this week, which is really nice. I think that it's going to be a volatile week where we are closing into a new monthly close and open within 3 4 days. So I'm thinking we might push one more to 130K before closing and getting pulled back, or we could just go rip higher, right? But everything is looking very, very bullish. New weekly open right now. I kind of like that this weekly candles actually bounce at the local golden pocket, and it went straight up, got accepted back in the inside the range, and it's trying to break above the value area high right now. So this was the long that I gave you guys last Monday, and I didn't take it though because I really wanted to fill the CME gap, but looks like we didn't fill the CME gap, and we do have a new gap right now. So this might actually get filled today. So I want to see how we trade right here. Because if we fill this, do we continue higher or do we come down back into this small range right here and finally fill this? So this is what I want to see for Bitcoin this week. But it's very, very bullish. We might not, we might just fill this one and then go higher. So I will be looking at this very, very closely because we do have a point of control in this level, and I believe that's also the point of control from this high to this low. Yep. So let me try that. Yeah. So I kind of like we fill the gap, come down here, take the weekend traders, and then boom, go higher, right? Let me actually look at the levels. So previous day low, previous day equilibrium, we already bounced from there. So I'm gonna mark these out because I feel like this is a good area to long in this level. I'm gonna set an alert. That's my first long. Now, if things change, price action change, don't worry. I'm going to update you guys with another video all throughout the week. So we're just ranging right now at the weekly and daily open. But it's kind of nice to see that we're trying to get above this value area high, and could be, your next target. So we could take all of these guys out, all the buy stops here, and continue higher. So psychological number next, 125K obviously, and then 130K. So this is gonna be my first setup long this week. We might even go lower and take some of these guys out. Previous week equilibrium will also be nice. Hold on. Let me. Okay, there you go. Previous week equilibrium. Even up to like previous week open, maybe. Yeah, something like that. I think that would be really nice. Nice level right here. So those are the levels that I will be looking at, because this is just still a range right now. We deviated to the lows, hit the golden pocket, and move up. So what I want to see is to actually break out, right? So it might come down, slingshot, go to 130. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin, boys. This is just a quick video update. I think we're gonna have a very, very volatile week ahead of us. Nasdaq, look at that Nasdaq, huge gap to the upside. Including ES risk on assets right now are just very, very bullish. Let's look at gold. So gold had a little bit of a pullback and it's bouncing a little bit, but very, very natural to just range above all time, just below the all time high, because we've been gold's been up since inception, right? So this might consolidate a little bit, and Nasdaq and ES might continue higher. So I'm gonna stick to buy models again. All right, that is it for this video. Obviously, altcoins are pumping really nicely. Sui is lagging a little bit. I mean, it pumped really, really high, so it's just having a little bit of a pullback right now. Ethereum, I want to see Ethereum break above $4,000 so we can confirm a mini alt season. And let's look at some of the trades that I gave you guys. So Ethereum, we didn't reach the level. It's just grinding up right now. In hindsight, this was actually might be the long this support right here, but I really wanted lower. So Solana finally bouncing. XRP is really, really strong too. So we want XRP to get above this high and continue higher. Sui bounced nicely from the level, but I didn't long this. So hype just ranging right now, looking like a bull flag. Is it a bull flag or bear flag? Say bouncing as well. Tia. So yeah, that is it for this video. Obviously, if we get better opportunities to as the day goes by, I'm gonna update you guys. And if you do want to trade with me, I have some links below for weeks, Bybit, and if you want a no KYC, you can use Coinflare. $100 sign up bonus. Links will be down below, boys. So, yep. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.